we now know where one of the big names and also big changes from the offseason will be racing. That obviously being Austin Forkner leaving his longtime team of Pro Circuit Kawasaki, moving over to the factory Triumph squad. Well, he's racing the West Coast. So that means Deegan and him, it's on. This is from the official Triumph Racing Super Instagram saying, quote, "New season, new look, new goals. It's time to drop the gate on Super Motocross 2025. Austin Forkner and Jordan Smith will make their competitive debut on the TF 250X at the 250SX West Opener at Anaheim 1. So obviously that also means that Jalek Swoll and Styles Robertson will be racing the East, but not about them at the moment. And this is big. I mean, obviously he's been a big name, a big talent, a fast talent for a long time. But he's also been in the 250s for a long time. Always a title contender, always super fast, just can never make the full season. I mean, if he'd put a couple of these seasons all the way through, he'd have a couple titles already and be in the 450s. But at this point, he hasn't. It's always up front, winning races, injured, missing the whole year, and then out. So hopefully, knock on wood, he can stay up this whole time. New team, new bike, going from the Japanese Kawasaki over to the British Triumph. I don't know what they actually made. Somebody in the comments below tell me. I know I know Triumph is a British company, but wherever the bike is made, I don't know. And so this is a big swing. I mean, obviously he's been on Kawasaki for what, 10 years, this whole career, whatever you want to call it. And to switch over to a full new team, full new bike, new sponsors and everything else, and we'll see how he does. I mean, I would love to see him be competitive for the whole year, not get injured, not have to miss races, none of that. I'd like to see him make the whole year through, even if he doesn't win the championship. Even if he, finishes second, third, fourth, whatever. If he can make the whole year, it's going to be good. And there was some talks he was in the off season saying he had multiple deals somewhere for a 250 and then a 450 next year, and that might be them. That might be Triumph. He raced this year on the 250, and then next year when they have the 450 ready, he could move up, maybe see how it works out. But like I said, I really hope he just makes the whole year through, stays healthy, stays competitive, is right up there racing with everybody, and we don't have this like, oh, and there's Austin Forkner down again. It just sucks to see. So hopefully this is a good move for him. Change your scenery, change your bike, change your team. Sometimes helps people. From what you've known for so long, you get out of your comfort zone, and now you gotta prove yourself again. But hopefully works out well. Hopefully A1 is incredible. This is where I leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. With that, I'll see you later. Peace.